Hey guys, guess what? I was talking about the snowstorm before, so I'm going to show you how, because I don't think I ever did, and I don't know if anybody ever cares or wants to know, but I'm going to show you how to hook up a Boss snowplow and how fast it is. You know, we got this nice V-plow thingy. So, basically, I'll take you along. This will be quick. Off. On. You flip this little lever, the pin comes out to where there's a spring. Don't stick your finger here and push the spring. Same here. Now we just drive into it. And I'll show you. Real time. And them smart guys, they put a camera down here in the front. You see the mount right there. See if I can do this while I'm doing the camera too at the same time. I'll probably be off. I'm still getting used to it myself. So you watch this stuff? Cameras are kind of cool, you know. I don't quite like it because it's a side view. See that? Oh, I'm off. See, I gotta back up a little bit. Bingo, we're in. If you can see that, now you hit this on the controller, hold it till it's red. Let me shut this off so we can hear. You hold this till it's red. That's technically the float position. And you come out here and you go like this. Don't even really have to bend over. Plug your juice in. Plug your light control in. And that controls all your relays and whatnot. They make these inner fit. Doing this one hand is kind of fun. See what I'm doing here. It's taking me longer to do this with one hand than it is to hook the damn plow up. And you watch this toggle switch, you hit it in the up position and you'll see these two pins snap in. Just like that, we're on. You come back in here. And you go like this. You sit in your nice comfy spot and you hit the button here on the control and you watch. We're on. That's it. See it on the camera. Basically, I just got to flip-flop that tractor backhoe with this truck, so he's going to leave earlier than me, and so my truck's going to get stuck in the middle here, and I ain't going nowhere the rest of the day because the weather's just about here. So that's it. Just wanted to show you how to hook it up. That's okay with you guys. That's providing you're on level ground. If you're on unlevel ground, it's a son of a bitch. And then I shut the camera off because I don't use the backup part. And that's it. So I don't know what it is, 3 o'clock. It's supposed to start raining and sleeting and snowing and blah blah blah. It's gonna be heavy and wet, so I said that's why we got the tractor ready. So I'm tired of snow. Spring could come anytime. See you, bye.